on the FBI director. Clinton telling donors on a conference call yesterday that the first letter released by Director Comey stopped the momentum she had built after the debates and the release of Trump's Access Hollywood tape, and that it was too much for her to overcome. Let's talk about that and much more with filmmaker Michael Moore, who tried to warn his fellow Democrats of a Trump win on this show, on his blog, and elsewhere. Thanks so much for joining us, Michael.
Thanks for having me, Jake.
So what do you make of Hillary Clinton telling donors on Saturday that FBI Director Comey is at least largely to blame for her loss? Do you agree? Is she in denial? What's your take?
I think it's part of it, absolutely. I've actually called upon President Obama to appoint a special prosecutor as soon as possible to investigate how it is that the FBI director was able to interfere with an election, which I believe is not legal, and help to tip the balance in what was going to be a very close election. I think not only should people speak about it, it needs to be investigated.
But let's talk about one of